makikita natin in the beginning also ng Genesis, andun yung three persons of the Trinity. God the Father, the Word that came out is Jesus Christ, the Son of God. At nang sinabi niya, and the Spirit hovers around the waters. Ibig sabihin, nando ng tatlong persona ng Trinity. Balikan natin ang John 1:1. Ibig sabihin, in the beginning was the Word. Nando na siya bago pa dumating, bago pa siya bumaba sa lupa. Ito yung divine, no? Divine, spiritual, and it talks about Jesus Christ later on. Makikita natin na itong word na ito ay sinasabi ni Hudson Taylor is divine and spiritual in nature.
This means that Jesus is not just a prophet or teacher, but God Himself, the Creator, taking on human flesh to redeem humanity.
Itong word na ito, which is called Logos, later on is Jesus Christ. No? Which is, binanggit na Hudson Taylor, He is co-equal, co-eternal, no? With God. Kasama na siya in the beginning, before the creation of the world. Ano ang religion ng China? Meron din mga Taoism, no? Halo-halo. It means mga false mga religion na merong idolatry. Okay? So, pag missionary ka sa isang bansa, you go against the religion, mahirap, and it will cost your life. Kaya nga, ang pinangahawakan ni Hudson Taylor is Jesus Christ as the Logos, as the Word. Ito yung expression niya na sinasabi niya. At ngayon sa China, although hindi majority is nga Buddhism, Taoism, ay ang mga nagkaroon ng mga conversion ng mga Kristiyano. Pero ang hirap nila because they were mga patago, no, ang kanilang worshiping, at minsan because of the persecution ay lumalayo sila sa lugar na kung saan sila pine-persecute, no? So yan ang missionary sa China na si Hudson Taylor na experience niya. But because he was called by God, nagpatuloy siya.
Taylor interpreted the divinity of Christ as a call to practical daily abiding. Because Jesus is God, Taylor emphasized resting and abiding in Him rather than striving in his own strength. In summary, Hudson Taylor saw John chapter 1 verse 1 as the declaration that Jesus is God, and therefore a believer's union with Him is an absolute, secure, and divine reality that provides all necessary power for life and service.
Sabi ni Hudson Taylor, because Jesus is God, we can be secured, no? We can abide in Him, rest in Him, na ibig sabihin patuloy tayong magtiwala because Jesus is God. Everything that we do according to His will ay lalampasan natin ang lahat ng mga pagsubok. Sabi nga ni Elder Phil kanina, no? Magtiwala lang tayo. Let's continue to serve Him while we are waiting for His coming. At pasalamat tayo kasi malaya tayong nakakapag-worship, nakakapagsamba. Unlike other Christians, because they were being persecuted of their faith, they were being harassed. At hindi ko lang alam ngayon, dahil may gera between Israel, US, and Iran. Sa Iran, I believe there are also Christians, but they were very minimum o minimal lang ang mga Kristiyano doon. No? Konti lang because alam natin ang ano ng Persia is Muslim. No? But praise God, malaya tayo. mas ganda ang ating building, aircon pa. Pero what should hinder us from serving the Lord and worshiping God? Salamat tayo that meron tayong kalayaan sa pagsamba.